Hi guys, welcome back or welcome if you're new here. So on today's video, I'm gonna be showing you what's in my bag. I know these videos aren't that popular anymore, but they used to be my favorite back in 2012, 13, around there. I used to watch them all the time. I'm not quite sure if people do them anymore, but I wanted to do it in my channel and I wanted to show you what's in my bag. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is my purse, this is my bag. It is one of my bags that I carry whenever I have to carry my laptop. Other than that, I just carry a small handbag. I normally just don't like to carry big items because I do have 3 kids. But lately, or at least all this week, I've been carrying this bag wherever I go because I am doing school, and whenever I have time to study or get a chance to do a little bit more in my school, I like to be prepared and carry my bag and my laptop. So all this week I've been carrying this bag, so I wanted to show you what I have in it. It does have 3 compartments. So it has this one, this middle one with the zipper, and it has this one. I do get a lot of compliments on it, I'm sorry, because it is big and also the color, and it's so pretty. Like, it is very elegant and pretty. If you are a realtor, or if you are like in business, or you go to meetings, this is the perfect bag for you. And I did get it in Target about a year ago. I'm not quite sure if they have it anymore, but you should check your Target and see what they have, if they have anything similar. It's really pretty, and it's in the brand A New Day. I believe it was around $40. If I find it, I'll link it down below, but if not, I'll link something similar to it. But anyways, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I want to start off with the front compartment. I do have a mess in here, so don't mind the mess. I wanted to do it very raw and show you what I actually do carry with me. So I do carry, I've had this notebook for a couple of years. I believe I got it in 2019, but I hadn't used it, and I just started using it because I do use it for school, and I take notes, and I carry this notebook everywhere I go. It does have a little bookmark, and I believe I got this from FedEx, like I said, in 2019, but it is in the brand, I think it shows backwards, but it's George Stanley. And it is the cutest little book, and it's also really soft. Like, when you touch it, it kind of feels like it's furry, but it's not. I don't know, it's really cute. And then the pages are just white and striped. And so this is one of the books that I carry, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I also have a battery pack. I don't even use it, but I have it. I have a Sharpie and a pen, and my favorite pens are like this kind of pen, or gel pens with fine tips. I love those, and I don't even know where I got this, but it's paper made, and I love it. And if I run out of this, I'll be so sad because I don't remember where I got this, and it's one of my favorite pens, even though I have a ton. In this basket up here, I have like thousands of pens. I also have my little lotion because I do tend to get dry hands, and this is from YSL. I have the perfume and I like it. I don't really like fruity scents, so this is one of my favorites. But it's the YSL, and it's super small and cute. Okay, so that's all I have in that pocket. Now we're gonna go to the, let's do the middle. Let's do the middle. So in the middle, I have my little laptop. I can't remember what this one's called, but I'll link it down below if you're interested. But you are able to remove the keyboard, and you're able to stand it to, it's like a laptop tablet from Microsoft. I think it's a Surface. Yeah, I think it's a Surface, but I'll link it down below. But anyways, you can stand like that. You can use it as a tablet. I haven't gotten the pen yet, but they do have some with pens, and then you can attach the keyboard, and it's really light and cute. I'm not a big Apple customer. My phone is not Apple, nor my computers, nor my laptops, and I'm too old for that. I don't know how to use them. But anyways, and then in the little pocket that it has right here, I just have the cord, because it does come with a cord, but I normally don't use it. I just like to hold it like a handbag. And then so now we're gonna go to the third one. It's a huge charger, but I normally have it tied up. Like I said, I used it yesterday, so whatever I have in this bag is just really raw. I have my little wallet, and it's just a Michael Kors. It's a Michael Kors wallet. It's already a little beat up because I've had it for a while, covering my info, but it does have like little compartments, the ID, and then I have the little pocket. I also carry this little heart that my daughter made for me. I think it was for Mother's Day, and then it just says really like nice things of me. So it's like nice, sweet, kind, smart, amazing, and lovely. So she made this for me for Mother's Day, so I carry it in my wallet because she's so sweet. And then she'll also ask me if I have it, so I'd rather have it in there just in case. But anyway, so my wallet, and then I also have my AirPods. I know I said I'm not a Apple fan, or at least I don't know how to use Apple, but the AirPods I do love, and I have had these for a long time. So they're just in a little cute case that I got. I think I got it in Five and Below about 5 years ago too. Oh no, I got it at TJ Maxx, but it's been a while. So anyway, so this little cute AirPod case, and it kind of matches my theme, I guess. I didn't even realize that. I have my AirPod charger, or Apple charger. Like I said, I don't have Apple stuff, so I do have to carry an extra charger for it. I also have my glasses, because I do wear glasses. I also have my lipsticks. I cannot live without my lipsticks. If I don't have my lipsticks with me, if I don't have makeup, I don't care. As long as I have lipstick on, makes me happy. I'm not a big fan of makeup, so I don't really care about makeup that much, as long as I only use basics. I'm more of like a bare face. I'm like simple bare face. As long as I have earrings and lipstick, I'm happy. But a lot of people ask me what lipsticks I use. I get a lot of compliments on my red ones. My biggest or favorite one is the red lipstick. But my favorite brand, it is Morphe. When it comes to lipsticks, they last forever. And I do also use the Kylie Jenner. I remember my favorite lipstick that I can't find anymore, or at least I haven't searched it correctly, but it's the Chloe collab that she had. It was like an orangey red, and it was in a gold tube, and I can't find it anymore. So if you guys know where I could find it, leave a comment. But anyway, so I've been using it's all messy, but because this one tends to get dirty a lot, and then it gets everything else dirty. But I've been using this Kylie one in the brand, in the name Boss, and it's number 400. I don't think you can see it, but it's in the number 400, and the name is Boss, and I believe I got it from Macy's. But hold on. Okay, so I ran out and grabbed the box. So this is the box that it came in, and it also came in with a little lip liner, and I believe it was around $40 in total. They're pretty pricey, but my husband got it for me. We were at Macy's, and I fell in love with the color. I have been looking for something like this, and it is gorgeous, and I think you've seen it in previous videos, but this is the one that I'm wearing. But I also like to wear the Morphe one, which I'll probably do a video on my lipsticks because I have a lot. And then this Jaclyn Hill was gifted to me by my sister-in-law, but I've never gotten Jaclyn Hill stuff, but this one is pretty good, and the color is lovely. I love it. I love it. It's one of my favorites. The name is Krabby, so I can't focus it, but it's Jaclyn Hill, and the name is Krabby, and it's so gorgeous. And I think I've had it in other videos, but I'll do a video with all my lipsticks. And I wanted to show you, these are the Morphes that I normally get. They are $10 each, and it's a really good deal. They are matte. I tried to go for the matte ones, and these are more like darker colors for like fall, so I have them up there. But all the ones that I use, I have them in the restroom, so I'll, like I said, I'll do a little haul next time, or a little video with my lipsticks. But this one is Bloodshot, and Morphe. So these are the colors, but I normally wear Morphe. So if you were wondering what lipsticks I wear, Morphe or Kylie Jenner. And this is one of my favorites, Jaclyn Hill. That's the only Jaclyn Hill I have, and it's in the name, it's called Krabby. It doesn't have a number, but it's just called Krabby, and it's so pretty, and I love it. And it goes on you like kind of matte, but then it kind of, it's still a little bit shiny. It's not that matte, but they will last forever. And I normally wear them because I don't like it when my lips are bare, so I still carry it because I need to do touch-ups. But other than that, they'll last many hours, and I love them. But anyways, so my chair is so squeaky, guys. I'm sorry if you keep hearing squeaky noises. And I do have a hair tie and this cord, which I don't even know what it's for, but it's in there. Sorry, my daughter came in, but that is pretty much all I have in my bag. Nothing else. I pretty much, there's a big old stain in there. I don't even know what it is. But that's raw. I do have kids. She's standing right in front of me looking at me. And so sometimes I do have like other stuff, but my daughter, she's 3, so I really don't carry anything. And if I do, she has her own little backpack. But other than that, this is my bag, and I carry everything that I need. And this is pretty much what I carry. And sometimes I do carry my planner. I have another planner that is an erasable planner, but my niece has it, so I've been trying to get it back from her because I love that planner. And it also has an app where like I could go back on my phone. If I don't have the planner, I have the app where I can see what I wrote on my planner, and I love it. But I'll share that with you on my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but I'll see you on the next one.